Can you imagine you're just walking around a room or a place and you're still heard? Like, do you even know where I am? Hey, look at this. Hey, hey! And I sound like I'm right in front of the microphone. Hey, I'm here. Are wireless mics really worth it? Today we'll be comparing cabled mics and wireless mics because these seem to be blowing up everywhere. I mean, small cage? Can you even make microphones? Yeah, I'm an offline guy and I'm not sure about this wireless transition. First of all, I hate charging and keeping track of everything is charged before every single shoot. Like with this one, it doesn't even have an on and off button. You just plug it in and it works. With this, you have a triple charging cable. And you have to keep track of all the charging that you've done and you will do, and every time you're going to a shoot you just have to count on it. Second of all, I read on the box that this is 12.5 milliseconds latency. That's like one whole frame. Wouldn't it feel weird in a video if the audio was just a little bit delayed? The Rode Wireless Go has 6 milliseconds, and the Wireless Go 2 has 4 milliseconds. The Smallrig mics have, I don't know, I'll leave it on the screen. The analog mics, however, have basically 0 because they're just straight up out from a cable. So these guys should be the worst, but can you tell if I have a delay? Tell me in the comments below. On the other hand, having not to worry about walking around, having tangled wires or having more people in an interview seemed like a reason to switch. But in my studio scenario, does it really sound natural when I walk around and you can hear me perfectly even when I'm off the frame? Like, isn't that kind of like weird? Like, this seems more natural to me. Like, you would hear me from a distance and not equally all the time. Like, that seems much more normal than what the wireless mics are doing. But it really depends on the scenario.
This is probably one of the most extreme situations that you might put a wireless microphone in.
And so here's the Synco G1, which I got for like $100, but you can probably get it for around 70 with my link and worldwide free shipping in the description. And it is packed compared to the other mics. Comes with a pouch, a freeware charging cable, receiver and transmitter, cable for a camera and smartphones, extra lav mics, and wind mufflers for each mic. The receiver goes into any hot shoe mount or clips to stuff, and it has a port out for a camera and headphone jack. My camera does not have headphone jack, so that's already an added value for me. The transmitters have a low frequency filter and a jack for lav mics, or any other mics actually. The battery should be fine. We'll try it with the Rode Videomicro. Blind test. So this is raw unedited sound from mic number 1. This is raw unedited sound coming from microphone number 2. So this is raw unedited sound coming from mic number 3. This is raw unedited sound coming from mic number 4. This is raw unedited sound coming from mic number 5. This is the raw unedited sound coming from mic number 6. This is raw unedited sound coming from microphone number 7. It's the Rode Videomic with the low-cut filter on. So comment which you like more and I'll comment from the production. So this is raw unedited sound coming from the Synco microphone with the muffler head on. This is raw unedited sound coming from microphone number 2. It's the Synco microphone without the muffler. So this is raw unedited sound coming from mic number 3. It's still the Synco microphone but without the muffler and without the low-cut filter on. This is raw unedited sound coming from mic number 4. Does this work? Does this work? Does this work? This is raw unedited sound coming from mic number 5. It's still the Synco microphone but with the included lavalier mic. This is the raw unedited sound coming from mic number 6. It's the Rode Videomicro at the same distance on a camera. So check the price with the link below. And if you want some great RGB lights, check this video right here. These are really cheap and they're slaying. They are literally right beside me right now. Alright, warm regards, your Patrick. Seems ridiculous.